Hello, children. A fine good afternoon to you all. This is your Shobha Magdalene teacher. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and fine. So, let's begin our today's session, that is Class 1 English Part 18. Children, we have learnt about the kinds of nouns in our previous lessons. That is about common nouns and proper nouns. Today, let's do the exercises related to the proper noun. Open your grammar book. Take page number 8. Today, we are going to do an exercise in grammar book page number 8, children. Circle the proper nouns in the given sentences. We have to circle round the proper nouns in the following sentences. The first sentence is Delhi is the capital of India. In this sentence, Delhi is the name of a specific city. So it is a proper noun. We have to circle round. Here, India is the name of a specific country. So it is a proper noun. We have to circle round India. So in this sentence, we have two proper nouns. One is Delhi, the second one is India. Now, move on to the second sentence. This is the second sentence. My favorite cartoon is Chota Bheem. In this sentence, Chota Bheem is the name of a cartoon. It is the name of a specific name of a cartoon. So, Chota Bheem is the proper noun in this sentence. We have to circle round. Yes, this is the third sentence. The third sentence is Ravi is a pupil of modern public school. In this sentence, Ravi is the name of a specific person. So, it is a proper noun. We have to circle round. Here one more proper noun we have, children, that is modern public school. This modern public school is the name of a specific place or name of a specific school. So it is a proper noun. We have to circle round. In this sentence also we have two proper nouns. One is Ravi and the other one is modern public school. Now move on to the fourth sentence. The fourth sentence is Dr. Minal works at the Holy Family Hospital. Here Dr. Minal is the name of a specific person. So it is a proper noun. We have to circle round it. Here one more proper noun we have, that is Holy Family Hospital. This hospital is the name of Holy Family Hospital is the name of a specific hospital. That is the specific place. So we have to circle round. In this sentence also we have two proper nouns. One is Dr. Minal and the other one is Holy Family Hospital. The fifth sentence. The fifth sentence is Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October. In this sentence, Mahatma Gandhi is the name of a specific person. That is, Mahatma Gandhi is the name of father of nation. So it is the name of, it is a proper noun. So we have to circle round. Here we have one more proper noun, that is October. October is the name of a specific month. So we have to circle round October. In this sentence also we have two proper nouns. One is Mahatma Gandhi and the second one is October. Now the sixth sentence. Peacock is the national bird of India. Here peacock is the name of a specific bird. So it is a proper noun. We have to circle round. Here we have one more proper noun, that is India is the specific name of a country. So we have to circle round. In this sentence also we have two proper nouns. One is India and the other one is the peacock. Now seventh sentence. MS Dhoni is a famous cricketer. Here MS Dhoni is the name of a specific cricketer. That is the name of a specific person. So it is a proper noun here. Let's see again. Delhi is the capital of India. Here we have two proper nouns. One is Delhi, second one is India. The second sentence, my favorite cartoon is Chota Bheem. Chota Bheem is a proper noun. It is the specific name of a cartoon. Yes, third sentence.
Ravi is a pupil of modern public school.
Here we have two proper nouns. One is Ravi and the other one is modern public school. Fourth sentence. Dr. Minal works at the Holy Family Hospital. Here Dr. Minal and Holy Family Hospital, we have two proper nouns. The fifth sentence. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October. That is, Mahatma Gandhi is the proper noun since it is the name of a specific person. October is the name of a specific month. So it is also a proper noun. Here peacock is the national bird of India. Here peacock is the name of a specific bird and India is the name of a specific country. Seventh sentence, MS Dhoni is a famous cricketer. MS Dhoni is the name of a specific person. So it is a proper noun here. Here is one more exercise about the proper noun. Use proper nouns to complete this record about yourself. The first one is write your name. You write your name in this column, children. Your name is a proper noun. And the second one, you write your mother's name. Your mother's name is in this column you write. Your mother's name is also a proper noun. Write your father's name. Your father's name is also a proper noun. Write in this column. Then write your class teacher's name. That is my name. My name is, you need to write like this, Mrs. Shobha Magdalene teacher. Write like this, children. And the name of your school. You all know the name of your school. That is DAV High School. You write here in this column. The next question is the name of your house. House means in school. In school we have 4 houses. That is Dayananda House, Shraddhanand House, Vidyanand House and Hansraj House. You select any one name of the house and write in this column. That is your choice. You select any one name among these 4 children. Then the city or town you live in. Here we are living in a township, that is RTPP. You write the name of the township as RTPP. Now it's time for home assignment. The home assignment is use proper nouns to complete this record about yourself. That is in grammar book, page number 8, item H. One more task, children. That is in grammar book, page number 8, item I. Circle the proper nouns in the given sentences. Write copywriting, 1 page, children. With this, we have completed the proper noun. Practice well and do the home task given and send to my number 9440122748. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye, children. We will continue the lesson in the next class.